Hi guys, good evening. This is Reshma, once again your personal dietitian and nutritionist. Welcome back to our wellness series session and thank you for watching this channel and making it successful. So, today the topic of discussion is going to be Om. Okay, why Om? Om is the basic sound of the universe and it has been documented in our Vedas and Upanishads. It also contains the entire universe. Now, what does Om do? It represents the sound of the divine. It is believed that the origin of all sounds, vibrations, and all life forms is Om. So, everything in this world, basically, as we know, is vibrational energy and it is always moving, it is never still. So when Om is chanted in a correct way, it vibrates at a frequency which is the frequency of all human beings. So what is the benefit of this? It therefore connects us with the sounds and the vibrational energy of the universe. This eventually activates our third eye, the crown chakra, and the vagus nerve. So basically there are a lot of benefits which have been proven, which have been documented scientifically. What does it do? It helps us in relaxation, it helps us to reduce the stress, reduce depression levels, it helps to elevate the mood. So basically what it does is it raises the vibrational energy within us, thus allowing us to feel more happier and blissful. And isn't that what we are aiming at in today's world of stress and the rush that we are into every day? Also, a lot of times, the stress in the relationship, which is a little difficult for us to handle. So, basic effort to just chant Om minimum 21 times in a day is going to help. So, how is this done? You need to find a peaceful place. Moreover, where there is minimum disturbance, sit in Sukhasana, that is fold your legs and sit, and in any mudra that pleases you, chant Om 21 times. And how is it done? Close your eyes, take a deep breath and chant Om. Now, doesn't that feel wonderful? Now, there is one more way how you can chant Om. Om is divided into three parts, that is A, U, Ma, which represents our past, present, future, also the earth and the ether and the atmosphere. So you can chant Om like Now, apart from all these benefits, Om, the symbol, is also used as a good luck charm. Now, I'm sure this small session and an effort from my end to create little awareness of Om has been beneficial, and looking forward to see each one of you all practicing the same thing. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you have not done it earlier. Press the like button, hit the bell icon, and make this channel of ours more useful for more people, wherein it can be seen by a lot of public and they spread the message too. Thank you so much, and wait for what's coming new in our next session.